Hey, JT with Silver Street Marketing here. Today I wanted to talk about the importance of commenting back on your Facebook and Instagram ads and a couple reasons why it's going to help your overall performance and two, help you close deals. Now, first off, the biggest thing we think about is what actions bring us money. So I want to tell you right off the bat, I have multiple clients who are closing deals from Facebook ad comments. Who would have thought, right? But the biggest thing is you got to remember who are the people commenting and why are people looking at those comments. So for most of you, you probably look at your Facebook ads and your Instagram ads and you look at the comments and it's a bunch of people who we deem as trolls and they're sitting there talking about how you can't possibly buy homes for cash, or, this is a bunch of fake crap that you're throwing on the internet, or maybe you're from some other place and you're stealing their land. I've seen all these crazy comments, but guess what? Everyone loves reading crazy comments and what you say back to them. They want to see what your reaction is. And that reaction is an open door. Now, for the people who are actually commenting, we're not actually responding to them for that person in general. Sometimes we'll get some, like I had a client just the other day close one that was on somebody who was just asked, hey, do you also buy land? Awesome. That could be a great potential lead. We start that conversation. Yes, we're commenting back to talk to them. But we also have plenty of other people who are commenting crazy comments, but those are being really popular, being read, they're being engaged with, and we want to make sure that we have a response for those people who actually read those, because everybody loves negativity found on social media. So as people are scrolling down and reading through your comments, they see something crazy like there's no way that you buy for cash, and then they see your response where you say, hey, no, actually, I work with these specific people, and here's a link to my testimonial page where you can actually talk to people that have worked with me in the past that went through XYZ situation, like inherited homes, foreclosure, all these different things where it's actually a better situation for them to work with me. Feel free to check it out. I don't think that everybody should work with me, because maybe you're not in that situation. And I totally understand that this wouldn't be a good option for you, but for others, it is important. And throwing that link down there opens up conversations. People will go to that link, they'll get the social proof that they need, saying like, oh, wow, this person actually is true. They actually have some social proof. They have deals that they've closed in the past. These are people that I can trust, that I can work with. There's a bunch of pictures of homes that look like mine. There's some potential there that this could be a good fit for me who I need to sell my house and I need to find somebody who could buy it from me. Those are going to be things that are going through potential readers of those comments. So we want to make sure that we keep that happening. So that's one of the first reasons why. One, you can get deals from commenting back in your comments. Like my current client who just assigned a deal for $40K. I've had plenty of clients be able to do this in the past. Same thing. This client was just the most recent, happened last month. But second is going to be able to get those that are potential people that need to sell their house. They're going to read the comments, looking for any reason why not to work with you, and then they're actually going to find more reasons to work with you. And we're going to get them to go to the website. We'll be able to retarget them, re-engage with them, and we'll keep that moving forward. Okay. Second reason why you should be responding back to comments. Algorithms love engagement. So you'll notice when you go and look at other people's posts, the ones that are trending the most, it's because they have the most engagement. That means they've got likes, they've got dislikes, they've got comments, anything in there. You need to make sure that you're responding, because that's going to actually help increase that amount of engagement. If you get another response back, increases that amount of engagement. The algorithm understands that engagement is important. Now, it's not going to treat it the same way as an organic post because it's a paid advertising post, but it is going to use it over on the algorithmic side when it's determining which ads should be seen for a higher reach to impression rate. It's going to take that into a factor. So you're going to see that your placements go up. You're going to be spending less potentially to be able to have more people actually view your ads rather than just be paying for the impression, for the opportunity to have your ads viewed. So you want to make sure to be commenting back on comments for that reason as well, to increase the engagement. So those are two awesome reasons why you should be responding to any comments coming on your page. And if you guys have troubles knowing what to say or what not to say, comment below. Would love to be able to help give you that structure to be able to talk back to those that are commenting to you. Lastly, If you guys have any questions about anything else, Facebook, Instagram ads, finding motivated seller leads online, feel free to click the link below. There's plenty of ways to be able to work with us. We are right now managing tons of clients, building ads for people, handing it over to them, and teaching people the things that we do best. So feel free, if you want to work with one of the best agencies in the space to find more motivated seller leads for your business, whether it's creative finance deals, wholesale deals, flip deals, feel free to go to the link below or comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe if you want more content in the future. So I will see you guys in the next video.